Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make crispy baked and fried sweet potatoes. Exactly what you see on the screen. Very crispy and delicious sweet potato baked, not fried. Keep watching to see the tricks on how to prepare this delicious sweet potato. Alright, let's dive into it. First, I have my one tuber sweet potato, everyone. So the first thing I do is to peel this with a clean knife. After peeling with a clean knife, place it on a clean tray, cut it into flat parts. Keep watching, don't go away to see how the tricks on how to get crispy baked sweet potatoes, especially for your kids. They will love it, they won't stop eating it. You know, when you fry your sweet potatoes, when it gets cold, nobody wants to eat it, but this crispy baked sweet potato, you won't stop eating it. You will love it, you will long for it. So keep watching and see other tricks. So I've cut or sliced it in very thin, slice very thin, exactly what you see on the screen. So after that, I get a clean bowl, transfer the already cut or sliced fries into the bowl. Then next, I will add water to cover it. Add water to cover it properly. Then allow it to sit in the water for 40 minutes, at least 40 minutes. Doing this helps to rinse off the starch in it. That is one trick. So after 40 minutes, this is what it looks like. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get a clean bowl, a clean strainer, and then transfer the already soaked fries into the bowl and allow it to drain off the water. Next, I will transfer it to a clean and dry tray. Then get a parchment paper and begin to dry your fry until it is dry enough. Pat it with a clean towel. Unused towel if you don't have parchment paper. Pat till it is properly dry, like what you see on the screen. This is another thing you need to do if you want to get crispy baked sweet potatoes, not fried. Remember, we are not frying these sweet potatoes, we are baking it, and it's going to come out crispy, better than the fried one. So keep watching, don't go away. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Please stay connected, like, comment and share. And if you always love to see videos like this often, sure to hit this button for me. So next, coat it with vegetable oil of your choice. Coat it, please don't overcoat it with oil, just small. The full description of all the ingredients will be at the description box down below. And if you like to see more of these videos often, please do subscribe to my channel. So while you set that aside, on a clean bowl, add 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of oats flour, 3 tablespoons of suya spice. You could use paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix to combine. So this is another thing you need to do if you want to get a crispy sweet potato baked and fried. So I'm using oat flour and corn flour to give it that super crispy texture, everyone. I noticed that oat flour is very nice, so mix everything together, all ingredients to blend, exactly what you see me doing right now. Please keep watching, don't go away. If you watch halfway, you will not really see how the tricks on how you get that crispy sweet potato you will always long for. So first thing is to soak for 40 minutes or more. So after patting it to dry, this is what it looks like. So next, coat with the mixed flour. So everyone, I'm using hand to do this. I forgot to put on gloves, so please remember that. Pat it and then coat it with the mixed flour. After mixing it, this is what it looks like. So I will set this aside while I get ready the pan for this baking. Everyone, I'm using this super big pan that can take almost 100 meat pies, and the reason is because I don't want my fries to lay on each other. I don't want to pile it up. So the next thing I did is to use a parchment paper to cover up the pan. Then next I begin to transfer my fries into it. Please do not pile up the fries. If you have a smaller pan, you can bake it twice, because when you pile it up, it's going to stick to each other and it won't come out properly, because when you're trying to separate it, it will not come out well, it won't look good. So after transferring it, I'm trying to make sure they are not piling up on each other. Exactly what you see me doing. And why it's going to be in the oven, I'm going halfway to bake. I will bring it out, then or open the oven, then flip it to the other side. Do that gently so that you won't ruin your fries. So this is what it looks like. You notice they are not laying on each other. Make sure I separate it properly. Make sure it's all lays directly on the pan and on the parchment paper. Please use a good parchment paper that will not get burned and your fries equally gets burned. So I'm going to be putting this in the oven. After this, I'm going to allow it to bake at 425 Fahrenheit. Everyone, you don't want it to be too low, because if it is too low, it's going to be very soft when it comes out. So allow this to bake and continue to check it while it bakes. So after baking, this is what it looks like. So now I just sprinkled salt. You don't sprinkle salt at the beginning so that it will come out crispy. If you want it very crispy, so you can see it is very crispy and delicious. So one of the tricks is to bake your fries without salt, because the moment you add salt, it won't come out crispy. So you add salt at the end. Is the last ingredients for this video, for this very crispy baked sweet potatoes. So first we cut it into smaller, very thin slices. Then slice it into very small shapes, very thin shapes. Then soak for 40 minutes. You can even soak it overnight. Then after soaking overnight, pat it with a parchment paper. Then use corn flour, paprika, dry ingredients, and then black pepper to coat it properly. After coating it with vegetable oil, and then allow it to bake at 425 Fahrenheit. All right, this is what it turns out to be, very crispy and yummy. Thanks, stay connected and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.